A young girl named Maya sat on her porch, holding a bowl of warm milk. Her chubby pink cat, Whiskers, stared at her with big, pleading eyes. "You already had your treat," Maya teased. Whiskers let out a dramatic sigh, curling his tail around her feet. With a giggle, Maya dipped her finger in the milk and let Whiskers lick it. The cat purred loudly, rubbing his soft fur against her. The evening breeze carried the sweet scent of flowers, and Maya felt at peace. "All right, just a little more, sh."